It was a delightful Ramadan night marked by a remarkable cloud cover and the moon was shining. Tajamul Adil is planning to go to a lovely Ramadan festival, but he needs to ensure that the settings of the 70mai T800E, the newest 4K 3-channel dash camera, are probably adjusted before he departs. Tajamul made the decision to install an additional dash camera, the 70mai T800 4K 3-channel, which is notably simple to set up. This T800 model provides parking service equipped with AI motion detection, while the T800E model only offers parking service with collision detection. Ibrahim was walking by when he discovered that we were on our way to the Ramadan festival. While Baba was busy installing dash camera in the car, curious about the dash cameras, Ibrahim decided to ask questions to learn more about it. The T800E looks very much like the T800, but Tajamul noted that the E indicates enhance. It includes a distance sensor tailored for the darker shadows. The T800 features high quality, premium build designed for durability in extreme conditions, features a 3-inch IPS display with 4 physical navigation buttons. Ibrahim learned that T800 can be seen on the tablet. It was sturdy and dependable, known as guardian of the road. It had a wide lens that looked like a giant unblinking eye. Tajamul's family is all set and they are in the process of planning their journey to the Ramadan festival, which is not far from where they live. While they drove, the city showcased a beautiful array of gold and blue, massive lanterns called fanus dangled from each pole. Ibrahim focused on the T800 screen. It displayed the road ahead in crisp, clear clarity. The bustling streets of the city were alive with Ramadan decorations. Thousands of twinkling lanterns called fanus hang from the strong fronts. Look at the lights, Ibrahim. Even while in motion, the T800E Dash camera captured all the bright hues through its wide-angle lens, guaranteeing that these lovely scenes would not be missed. After a 30-minute drive, Tajamul arrived at the parking area of the festival. Then Tajamul compared the difference between the 70mai T800E and the T800. The T800 revealed the vivid shine of the Ramadan lights as white and yellow specks. The T800E managed to balance the light flawlessly. The shadows were intense but filled with intricate details, and the warm lights of the lantern seemed beautiful and textured, just as would observe to a human observer. As Tajamul parked the car, the family were preparing to attend the Ramadan festival to relish the lanterns, food stalls, and the vibrant atmosphere of Ramadan. As the family enjoys the Ramadan festival, Tajamul and Maruk sat on a bench comparing the footage on a phone. The T800 exhibited lovely natural colors that looked just like the bright day. Conversely, the T800 has captured the license plate of a car and trees with astonishing sharpness. When the family reached back home and parked the car in the parking zone, Tajamul felt at peace. He knew that even while they were eating and laughing, the 70 miles dash cam parking surveillance would keep watch over their car.